Good morning, guys. I want to get right into it. So Bitcoin, technically, let's start here, and then I want to go prophetically, and then I want to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow in the future forecast, because I think you guys need to see this. Technical analysis, we're still in bearish divergence, guys. Price is going up while we have wells actually selling into the market. So selling pressure is here. And when I was taking a look this morning at the liquidity heat map, although we're pushing up pretty nicely in the last few minutes here, and we may start pushing back to about maybe 104 as a height, what I'm looking at on the weekly time frame here is it is possible to come back down and take out liquidity at 99,500, even down to flat 99 before we start getting sparse at the lows here. So, excuse me, do I think that this market is completely done from going down? I don't think so. In fact, actually, take a look at this for a second. Let me slow this down here. If you take a look at where price is at, we actually haven't even hit the ascending support line, which is down about 2.96%. Let's call this 3%. So what are altcoins going to do? From where they're currently at, we could still be seeing a 3 to maybe 9% decrease on where the market is currently sitting. So we're definitely watching for that. I put this bubble here because if we start moving down and people get really bearish, then what do we do? Now let's transition here. What do we do about the prophetic words of the market about to take off? People hearing buy now, XLM about to explode. But then we've got these other prophetic words coming in of people saying a black swan event is coming. Even on some channels to hear that it's happening between May 1st and 22nd, the Lord is sharing with them that it's going to happen. Guys, what do we do with this? So tomorrow morning, I actually just added this into the curriculum for tomorrow morning's future forecast. I want to teach you guys, how do you steward these words? How do we take the words of this whole thing is literally about to crash in a black swan event. You're going to lose a ton of money. And what do we do about the other words that say we're going to start heading back up here? And I hope you guys have bought altcoins and things are about to explode. Alt season has started. Guys, it is so insanely polarizing right now. I think you guys just need some wisdom on what to do next. And I met with a brother yesterday that really gave me some good clarity on what to do. And I really just found peace inside. And I want to share it with you guys tomorrow in the future forecast. There's memberships in the description. Enjoy the coupon codes. Now, on top of that, what I want to talk about tomorrow is, guys, for the first time, I've actually never done this before, is I want to give you guys the ability to sneak peek into my portfolio, everything that I own in the take profit portfolio, the legacy portfolio, the monthly paycheck portfolio. We just took out $20,000. The pot that we have a lot of money in, which is basically a growth portfolio, the prophetic portfolio that we have. How many people out there have a prophetic portfolio for their sell limits that are set 300,000% above current price? What I want to do, guys, is just pull the curtain back and give you the opportunity to step inside someone who's traded crypto for 10 years, made a bunch of mistakes, and supersede you so you can literally watch a video and give you a pie chart to say, here's where all my money is. I'm not saying to copy me by any means, but the way I've structured this is to literally build for myself and give you guys a way to build a machine to take wealth out of the market and forego a lot of the mistakes that you could be making as a new retail trader, or maybe this is your first bull run. We've got about $1.5 million in the market. We're up about $500,000 total right now in the market. And we've done this with good diversification. Our trade setups are over 285 wins, actually. How do we do that? So I want to teach this all to you guys tomorrow and bring this full circle of how do we steward these prophetic words, and how do you know which ones you should follow? Because I want to give you guys some insight on this. That do you understand that the people saying buy right now could be correct, and the people saying the flash crash is coming, they're both correct? I want to give you guys some perspective on that tomorrow, because I just went through a bunch of emails from our members, and it is a prevailing feeling right now of like, oh my gosh, I need to talk about this. So here's the deal, guys. The first link in the description, if you guys find this probably, if you think this is going to be helpful, go to the first link. TradeConfident.io, we give you guys 25% off the membership. All you guys have to do is go to the future forecast that I'm going to do tomorrow morning. This will be on May 16th in the morning. And I want to show you guys my whole portfolio. Just be completely transparent. I'm not releasing this on YouTube anywhere. It's too vulnerable. And honestly, like for security reasons, I'm only keeping it for our members. But for us to be up this much, while a lot of people are still down 30, 40, 50% in their portfolios, and we're up a very decent amount, I think you guys need to see what I'm doing here, because I'm creating a machine that you're going to be able to copy to start pulling money out of this market, literally on a monthly basis to the tune of about 25 to 50%. And we already took our 25% withdrawal. This was last week, and we did $20,000. Okay. Watch this tomorrow. Get some clarity on these prophetic words. And I think this is really going to bless you guys. I love you. God bless you. Praying for wisdom. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning in the future forecast. Bye, guys.